Good morning to all our viewers. Hope you're well out there. It's Michael and Angie. After a couple of days of planning and getting ourselves ready with our rigs and gear and tackle, we're ready for our Mtunzini trip. So we got we're on the road right now, and what we have is heavy weather warnings and tropical storms over the Mozambique. It's beautiful weather here down on the coast now, but we're heading towards something. I have chatted to a couple of the friends up there, like Greg and all, and the weather is changing a bit. But that's not going to stop the fun and games. We're going to go there and give it our best. We've got some good baits that we're taking with our cooler box and going up there. So yes, the bags are prepped to lock and load. So this is the trip now, and we're excited about it. We're going to meet up with some of our buddies along the way. And Subhash and crew are waiting for us. So we're going to bump into each other there. And then, we'll keep you guys posted. But up until then, stay safe.
Good morning, viewers. And this is Angie from Hatro, Mike and Angie crew. So, when I met Michael, well known as Mike Larry, never thought that I'll be going to Entumzini on a Valentine's weekend. But what better experience as a fisherwoman to be going with my friend, my love, my partner, and best of all, the best guy that I know would teach me to get on with something big. Maybe a GT. Even if it's a quarantine, I'll be grateful. You know why? Fishing is a sport. I've learned that from growing up and fishing with my dad. But I'm so blessed to have a husband that I can go and fish, and most of all, enjoy the ocean and what it has to offer. So yes, viewers, watch this space. And we'll be posting stuff as we go along. And for those of you that have other stuff planned for this Valentine's lockdown and whatever you have planned, be safe and just remember, do what makes you happy. And that's what we are doing. Cheers.
Cheers, cheerio. Happy Valentine's Day. Okay, chaps, Mtunzini. Finally, we're eating our afternoon. We arrived, settled in, taking a trip. So we got this big bridge to go over here. I believe just over that horizon there is where the beach starts. So it's about close to 400-meter walk from where our cottages are. But what an environment! Lovely. You guys must visit this place to get in touch with nature and a nice trail. End result. You get to eat a couple of throws, try for some cob and grunter and whatsoever. So we got the baits. So we're trying to see. Let's check. Beautiful stuff. Look at this. Entumzini River. Look at that. And there's our trail. Beautiful stuff. And you can see the purpose of having those extra big Velcro put on. There we go. Keep you guys posted. Shut. Okay, there you have it, guys. We've just come from over this ridge here. And still the drizzle is here and the rain. And you got that lovely ginger color water. And we're going to try and get some baits. We're just going to have a look at where's a nice channel, but it looks like right where Subhash is standing now. There's a bit of a channel that's there. So we're going to try and get a couple of shots in that basin there. Water is rolling, but there is some nice channels right in the front. So let's hope we can get a pickup, and we'll keep you guys posted.
That's Angie. She's trying to catch the live bait for us. And earlier they got a wave garrick that we put out for live bait. There's Brenda with a live bait rod. I just wanted you all to see that little bit of sunset that we got.
Morning guys, yeah, day number 2. Yeah, we're excited. Up and early this morning, we packed up, we're ready to go. Hit Mtunzini surf section, and yeah, the team is ready there. You can see I'm trailing a little bit late, so yeah, Team Walter is here. Morning guys. Lovely stuff. Hey, but yesterday we caught a garrick. Wave garrick. Yeah, so it was fun and games yesterday. We tried even in the rain, but that didn't stop the fun. We managed to get a wave garrick. We put out the live bait on Subhash's rod, but yeah, no pickups there. And we called it off for maybe about 7:30, and we started early this morning. So yeah, keep you guys posted the rest of the day. Sharp.
That's your
What?
guys.
Open!
Angie.
No!
That's your
Open!
guys.
No! Up! No! Let's go!
That's your guys.
I got too much energy.
Woo! We're gonna get our duty today.
Mtunzini, here we come.
Mtunzini.
Water is looking nice. I like the wave intervals. Not too flat. Yeah. We just saw some bait fish over there. Check this, Subash. There is some activity in the water. So we're lucky there's some nice construction right in the front here.
Here comes the rain.
Look at there.
Here comes the rain.
And we got signs of rain all over.
Yeah.
Rain or shine, eh?
Ready?
Oh, fish today.
Ready to do it today.
Yeah. It's not hard throw for nothing. Hard throw.
Alright guys.
Morning. First throw. Got a chocker and sardine combination, and we're hoping to catch a GT or a Simon, something edible, and last resort, a big steak.
And then, yeah, also yeah, while we at it, this is the second chocker bait that we got ready. So yeah, Subhash is gonna go put a shot out now. I've got my one old-fashioned style we're going to koi this out here. I got a 7-ounce sinker, got a lovely chocker and a sardine wrap there, as you can see. So yeah, there's the water is planned out very, very nice for us early this morning. And we're going to go and get 2 good shots out, and we're going to come put the light sticks on and try and splash it on. Keep you guys posted.
Listen to that! Sounds of a saltiga!
Okay, yeah, so we've already had our first run here with the chocker bait. Bait was out for about maybe 15-20 minutes. Busy having a chat to the guys there. We had one guy put out a drone bait, Subhash is there. I must have cast it not very far out, and I had a run, the unstoppable run with a chocker bait. But obviously we're not targeting the sharks and stuff like that. We're here for the edibles, and yeah, there's definitely a big shark that gave us a good run there now, unstoppable, and yeah, lines graze, damage, and bite off. So yeah, we're gonna put another bait now. So yeah, now the blood's pumping, the adrenaline is here. So let's just see what happens. I'm gonna put another bait out quickly with the saltiga. Right guys, keep you posted. Hi there guys, so yes, we were here at Mtunzini Forest Lodge. We had a great time. We came out with Subhash, Brenda and team here. We came out to go and try for the weekend. Yes, but due to the rains and the heavy weather conditions, we still gave it a good shot. That didn't stop the fun. No pickups, we had some serious runs, unstoppable runs, but looks like the fish got the better of us. Subhash, what do you think? Huh?
We gave it our best shot. The water was not in our favor. Heavy drift from the left to the right. Wasn't holding the 8-ounce sinker, but we tried hard. We fished hard. Hard throw.
Hard throw doing it live once again. And yes, we're one of the lucky fishermen. We had our 2 spots, our wives there with us, Brenda and Angie. They did very well. They stuck it out with us in the rain. Didn't stop the fun. They kept trying and yeah, Angie, how did you feel?
I felt fantastic, and as I told you on the beginning of the introduction video, whether we catch a GT or a quarantine, but definitely we caught a garrick, a wave garrick. But nevertheless, the entire trip has been spectacular. The environment, the beautiful Entumzini beach, greatest company, and yes, Mike Larry, thank you once again, and Subhash and Brenda for suggesting.
And Brent?
Yay, my son. Well, I had a fabulous weekend. I learned how to cast, and I enjoyed catching the seaweed, and I believe I'm being promoted next time to baiting with, what am I going to use? Chocker. Yeah, thanks Mike, Angie and Subhash for a wonderful.
Only a pleasure.
Awesome.
Excellent stuff. So viewers, you take it easy. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. There'll be more adventures coming along. Wind or rain, bad weather, we're still trying. Don't call us hard throw for nothing.
Hard throw.
Take it easy guys. Be blessed.